Welcome to this video where we'll explain how to use a stove guard. A stove guard has a sensor that monitors the temperature and any movement near the stovetop. If the stove gets too hot, or if it's left on for too long without anyone watching it, the alarm will cut off the power to prevent a fire. What should you do if the alarm starts beeping and flashing? First of all, don't worry. It just means the temperature is too high. Quickly press the button or wave your hand between the stovetop and the sensor. The sensor will understand that you are near the stove and will stop the alarm without turning off the power. But what happens if the alarm does cut off the power? Press and hold the button until the light changes from green to red. This takes about 5 seconds. When you release the button, the power will come back on. The stove guard doesn't need much care, but you do need to replace the battery when it runs low. A low battery is indicated by the light blinking every 10 minutes. It's important to check the batteries from time to time to make sure they are working and that the sensor is working properly. For example, you can replace the batteries yourself. If the sensor is broken, you should contact someone who can help you get it repaired. If the sensor is broken and you are unable to get it fixed today and need to continue using the stove, reset the stove by turning off the power at the breaker box and then turning it back on. If you have a ceramic or cast iron stovetop, an older model of electric stove, it's important to use a pot or pan that completely covers the heating element. If you don't, the heat will be too intense and the alarm will go off. Leaving the stove on high heat for a long time can also cause the alarm to go off. Thank you for watching our guide to using a stove guard. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact your caseworker at the Refugee Assistance Services office. Remember, a stove guard is an important tool for keeping your kitchen safe. Be safe and enjoy cooking.